Scrum Methodology, Episode 1. Introduction to Scrum. Scrum is an agile development framework that offers a flexible and collaborative approach to project management. It is widely used in the field of software development, but can also be applied to other complex business contexts. Scrum is based on an iterative and incremental process, in which work is divided into short periods of time called sprints. Sprints typically last from 1 week to 1 month and represent well-defined blocks of time in which development work is done. Scrum is widely used in the field of software development, but can also be adopted in other contexts to address complex and uncertain problems, providing a structured, adaptable and collaborative approach to project and product management. Roles in Scrum: Product Owner, Scrum Master, Development Team. In Scrum, there are 3 key roles: the Product Owner, responsible for the product backlog; the Scrum Master, guarantor of the Scrum process; and the Development Team, responsible for product development. Product Owner. The product owner is a key role in the Agile Scrum development framework. The product owner represents stakeholder and customer interests within the development team. Its main objective is to maximize the value of the product and guide the decision-making process to determine what to develop next. In short, the product owner is responsible for defining and communicating the product vision, managing the product backlog, prioritizing user stories, and collaborating with the development team to maximize the value of the final product. Product vision. The product owner must have a clear vision of the final product and effectively communicate it to the development team. Must understand stakeholder needs and translate them into a well-defined product backlog. Requirements definition. The product owner works closely with stakeholders to understand and define product requirements. This involves creating user stories, which represent the product's features from the user's point of view. The product owner ensures that user stories are clear, concise and well prioritized in the product backlog. Prioritization. The product owner is responsible for prioritizing items in the product backlog. This involves evaluating the business value of each user story and arranging the elements according to customer needs and project goals. Prioritization occurs in collaboration with the development team and is based on an understanding of the team's capabilities and constraints. Collaboration with the development team. The product owner works closely with the development team throughout the development cycle. Participate in daily Scrum meetings, sprint planning, sprint reviews, and background stories. Product owner is available to answer questions from the development team, provide clarity on user stories, and make timely decisions regarding priorities and any required changes. Acceptance of completed features. At the end of each sprint, the product owner evaluates the features developed by the development team and decides whether to accept them or not. This role has the final authority to accept completed work, ensuring it meets requirements and has the expected value. Scrum Master. The Scrum Master is a key role in the Agile Scrum development framework. Its main purpose is to facilitate the adoption of Scrum and guide the development team in the pursuit of the goals and principles of Scrum. The Scrum Master is responsible for fostering a collaborative work environment, eliminating obstacles, and promoting growth and continuous improvement of the team. In summary, the Scrum Master plays a role of leadership and support for the development team, facilitating the adoption of Scrum, removing obstacles and driving continuous improvement. The Scrum Master acts as a coach, facilitator, and advocate for Scrum goals and values within the team and organization. Responsibilities of the Scrum Master. Driving Scrum adoption. The Scrum Master is committed to spreading understanding and adoption of Scrum principles, practices, and values within the organization. This may involve hosting workshops, training staff, and communicating effectively about the benefits of Scrum. Development team coaching. The Scrum Master supports the development team in understanding and applying Scrum. Provides advice on how to organize work, adopt Scrum practices, and improve team effectiveness and efficiency. The Scrum Master also helps the team identify and resolve any issues that may be hindering their progress. Removing obstacles. The Scrum Master actively works to remove obstacles that prevent the development team from achieving their goals. This may include managing external dependencies, resolving conflicts, facilitating communications between the team and stakeholders, and eliminating operational impediments. Facilitating Scrum ceremonies. The Scrum Master organizes and facilitates Scrum ceremonies, such as daily Scrum meetings, sprint planning, sprint review, and background. During these ceremonies, the Scrum Master ensures that the rules of Scrum are followed, that the agenda is respected, and that all participants have the opportunity to express themselves and collaborate. Fostering continuous improvement. The Scrum Master encourages the development team to reflect on their work and adopt a continuous improvement approach. This may include reviewing processes, identifying areas for improvement, implementing advanced Agile practices, and fostering a culture of learning and adapting. Development team. The development team is one of the fundamental pillars of the Scrum framework. It is a group of professionals who work together to develop the product and implement the required features. In summary, the development team in Scrum is a group of professionals who self-organize and collaborate to deliver product incrementally. They take collective responsibility for the work assigned and are constantly looking to improve their development process. Key aspects of the development team. Self-organization. The development team is responsible for organizing and managing their work. Self-organizes to determine how to achieve sprint goals and plan activities necessary to deliver required work. The team makes decisions on how best to address challenges and improve efficiency. Collaboration. The development team works together collaboratively. Together, they analyze user stories or product backlog items assigned to the sprint and apportion the work among team members based on individual skills and capabilities. Regular collaboration and mutual support foster sprint success. Incremental development. The development team builds the product incrementally during sprints. This means that a working part of the product is developed in each sprint. The team works to deliver value to the customer at each iteration, making the product gradually more complete and responding to stakeholder needs. Shared responsibility. The development team shares collective responsibility for achieving the sprint goals. Each team member is involved in the delivery and completion of assigned tasks. This encourages a sense of belonging and collaboration, as the team works together to achieve results. Continuous improvement. The development team strives for continuous improvement. During the sprint review, they reflect on their work, identify strengths and weaknesses, and plan actions to improve the process. This approach allows the team to learn from successes and failures, adapt to challenges, and optimize their work over time. Interaction with other roles. The development team works closely with the product owner and the Scrum Master. The product owner communicates stakeholder needs and provides guidance on required functionality, while the Scrum Master facilitates Scrum adoption and removes roadblocks. The development team interacts with these roles to ensure understanding and delivery of goals and priorities. Scrum pillars. The three pillars of Scrum are transparency, inspection, adaptation. The three pillars of Scrum work in synergy to create an agile and flexible development environment. Transparency provides the basis for communication and collaboration. Inspection provides ongoing feedback on progress, and adaptation enables the development team to continuously improve their work and meet stakeholder needs effectively. Transparency. Transparency is a core principle of Scrum. It means that all relevant aspects of the process must be clear, understandable and visible to all development team members and stakeholders. This includes sharing information on project status, progress, challenges and decisions made. Transparency fosters collaboration, mutual trust and the sharing of responsibilities. Inspection. Inspection is the second pillar of Scrum and is related to the continuous verification of the progress and work performed. It is a question of regularly examining the product under development, the work processes and the results obtained, in order to identify any deviations from the objectives and expectations. Inspection allows the development team to evaluate their work, review priorities, and make any changes needed to improve. Adaptation. Adaptation is the third pillar of Scrum and is based on continuous inspection. Once deviations or opportunities for improvement are identified, the development team adapts and makes changes to their process or the product itself. This entails the flexibility to respond to changes, address challenges, and optimize the efficiency and effectiveness of the work performed. Adaptation may require changes to product backlog, sprint planning, or development strategies. We have reached the end of the first episode of the Scrum methodology. If you have any questions or concerns, please do not hesitate to contact us. It will be an opportunity to explore the topics covered and clarify any doubts. Subscribe to Channel Agile Training Center and share it with friends. End episode 1.